Companies are facing a problem, which is that developers need to be able to rapidly build applications and deploy them. And on the other side, administrators need to be able to put the resources in place that allow them to integrate. But at the same time, those two extremes don't quite have all the information. They don't see the picture together. If you have a product on top of OpenStack that is disjoint, that isn't deeply embedded with the OpenStack process and the OpenStack capabilities, you have that same sort of organizational boundary where the people who are dealing with the platform as a service don't really understand what's going on in the infrastructure service, and the people dealing with the infrastructure as a service don't really understand what's going on in the platform as a service. So it's all about bringing those two closer together, finding the right mix of capabilities that says, I'm an application developer and I want to build applications. I want to do that on top of OpenStack and make that natural from day one. The core of Project Solum is to take developer source code to generate images, and an image can be deployed on a VM or a container or a Docker container or on some system that hasn't been invented yet. And by using Heat, we can take all of those images, deploy them in a consistent way into production, and give administrators the flexibility to tune how those applications look over time. So the responsibility of Project Solum is that flow and allowing organizations to fit their pieces and their processes into each spot. And the additional capabilities that we want within OpenShift are that tighter integration with the infrastructure to allow people within the organization to manage all of the resources that are used by OpenShift. So not to have two different frameworks or two different systems for managing and controlling what's going on in an IT organization, but to kind of have a consistent view from the bottom up. And the top level is always those applications and the people who use them. It's never about just the infrastructure or just the applications. It's that unified view of both of them. And so the people who run applications and the people who write applications aren't always the same people. But if they're not working together, an IT organization can't succeed.